Ever thought about starting a blog for free? Welcome to Tech Help Canada, where we empower your digital journey. Today, we're diving into how you can start a blog for free and kickstart your journey as a blogger or expand your business online. Starting a blog doesn't have to be complicated or costly. With the right free tools and a clear plan, you can launch a blog today without spending a penny. It's time to explore how you can set up your own blog on platforms like WordPress, Blogger, and Tumblr. Firstly, determine the purpose of your blog. What will your blog be about, and why should people care? Crafting a content mission statement helps clarify your goals and guide your topic choices. For example, your mission might be to help people save time and live better lives. This foundational step ensures your content remains focused and meaningful. Next, select where your blog will live. Here are 3 popular free options. WordPress, highly flexible and the most used platform worldwide. It's perfect for those who want a robust system that grows with their needs. Blogger, simple and reliable, owned by Google, but with some design limitations. Tumblr, acts more like a blend of a blog and social media platform, great for more visual or informal content. WordPress is ideal for beginners and veterans alike, due to its flexibility and extensive support community. It offers thousands of themes and plugins that allow you to customize your blog extensively and improve functionality. Once you've chosen a platform, it's time to set up your blog. On platforms like WordPress, you can select a theme that matches your style, organize your layout, and start customizing your site with plugins to add new features. Now, focus on creating content. Start with impactful posts that align with your mission statement. A great blog post addresses your audience's needs and interests, provides valuable insights, and engages readers with a compelling narrative. Finally, don't forget to promote your blog. Share your posts on social media, engage with your readers through comments, and connect with other bloggers. Promoting your blog increases your visibility and helps grow your audience. Starting a blog for free is an exciting journey that can enhance your skills, expand your network, and even grow into a profitable business. Remember, the key to a successful blog is consistency, quality content, and engagement with your readers. Thank you for watching. If you're ready to start your blogging adventure, dive in, experiment, and enjoy the creative process. For more tips on digital success, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for notifications. See you in the next video.